Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To unsend an email in Gmail after a minute, you must first ensure you have the Undo Send feature enabled with a cancellation period set up to 30 seconds, the maximum Gmail allows. Unfortunately, Gmail does not offer an option to unsend emails after a minute has passed. To adjust the Undo Send setting, go to Gmail Settings, gear icon, see All Settings, and under the General tab, find Undo Send. Here, you can select the cancellation period. Remember, prompt action is key as once the time limit expires, the email cannot be recalled.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.